Hi my YouTube friends, today I am going to introduce before you a light stand. It is the light stand of multi-purpose, that is I am going to introduce you, and I am doing so. As usual, it is a pack. Yes, it's the packet from Flipkart. You can see it, and I am going to unpack it. It's a lengthy pack and I am going to unpack it. Yes, using my pair of scissors I am doing so. Yes, I am unpacking the plastic now. Yes, at first the two halves and I am going to unpack it. You can see the packet is packed with a curly plastic. The curly plastic is possibly used to prevent the outer edges, and I think so. And I am now cutting the curly plastic with many airbags. And here is the stand, and as I have said, it is the light stand. It is not only a light stand but also a multi-purpose stand. You can hold your mobile also here using a holder. You can set umbrella here, you can set light here, you can set your DSLR also here, and it is a tripod actually. And I am unpacking this. See, this is the stand, and see the blanks, and nothing is here. I am cutting it, and here is the stand. You can see the stand. I am now unpacking the plastic. Yes, the stand, total stand is here. The tripod, and it is quite sturdy. You can also see this. It is quite sturdy. And see, it is very sturdy bit. And how it works? The company name is here and model name is here. All is here. And now see, this is our clips. This clips to CPU from here, and I am going to do so and see how it works. And see the stand, and I am elapsing the stand, and you can elapse it to stand mode, and here it is.